What is going on, YouTube fam? It's been a minute. My 3D printing family, entrepreneurs, business owners, hobbyists, whatever you may be. I wanted to come on here and make a quick update video. This shouldn't be over 10 minutes. Just wanted to come on, say hi, and kind of let you know what's going on and why I haven't made no videos. One, been working a lot, and it's very hard for me to tell how well this picture's coming out. I'm doing this on my cell phone. But as you can see, some things have changed here in the work area, which is part of the reason I've been so busy. Still have the A1 Mini over here for now, and got the Plus 4 here that's running right now. Got the Q1 Pro here and the P1S here. This A1 Mini is gonna go to a P1S probably within the next little bit, but so that's why I got that space over there. I also had to kind of rework the workbench a little bit and kind of build on to right here for my filament dryer and the tools, so kind of been doing that. And as I was saying, I had purchased a laser. I opted for the longer B1 33 to 36 watt diode laser. They did not sponsor this. I just had some of the best features that I was looking for in a diode style laser. One, you can do the extended bed on there, so you can add to do larger projects. Two, the air pump is controlled through light burn. I like having a software controlled pump. That's very beneficial for me. So kind of went down that road. I just got this actually put on here now. I had to get some wood and kind of expand out on the workbench to make it 30 by 30 to fit everything on there and make sure it was secured and level. And then I went with just threw a Creality tent over it and did, you know, that kind of stuff there. Of course, we've got the rotary in there. I've ordered a different type of rotary to do some projects with, but that's the one I've got for right now. This, like I said, this is the B1 33 through 36 watt diode laser, and so pretty cool for that. Does some nice stuff. Also, as far as for exhaust, this is not hooked up yet. This actually goes out the window right there. But we have a 4-inch exhaust pipe going down through here. I did not use the fan that came with the Creality. I actually used a 3 to 4 inch pipe adapter. I doubt you'll be able to see it in there, but it's cut inside the back corner. And then it is high temp epoxied together with the fabric, so it can't leak there. Over here I have a Null 300 CFM inline fan, and on this side here, which would be kind of hard to see, it comes up, comes around right into here, and then it'll go right out the window. Altogether it's less than, I'd say, 4 feet of tubing, so the 300 CFM should be more than adequate. The pump, or the fan, is actually controlled with this remote, and you have high and low, and of course on. And you got a good flow right there. So that's strictly for the laser only. Then when you come over here, right here, these are for the 3D printers. This is controlled by a different fan that's only 150 CFM max, or 200 CFM max, variable speed, controlled with that. The reason it's not connected is because when I redid the workbench, I needed to get a new hose because I had to move the printer down. So that's what basically why that's there right now, not hooked up. That being said, what I wanted to say is I'm gonna do a giveaway for 5,000 subs. So when my channel reaches 5,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro 3D printer. This printer has not even 20 hours on it. It works flawless, and it works with Orca Slicer. That's what I run it with. It's a great printer. So if you want a chance to win this printer, make sure you're subbed. And when I hit 5K subs, this will be the giveaway prize. And there'll be more details on that to come in a future video. I'd say within the next 7 days or so, I'll get a video up on how you can enter to win this. But this is going to be going to somebody when I hit 5K subs. It will be shipped in the original box. Basically, there's this couple bolts down here that hold that on, and I'll repackage it up in the box, and I'll ship it to whoever wins. It's a great printer. I think I paid like $350, $360 for it. Nothing wrong with it at all. I just don't have the space for it right now. And I figure since you guys give so much back to the channel and leaving comments and likes and subscribing and sharing your personal experiences, it's my way to give back to you. So rather than it sitting here doing nothing, it will be a giveaway. 5K subs, somebody's going to win that. And I will probably also do 2 smaller prizes, like maybe a roll of filament each. Bamboo filament. It'll probably be like ABS or PETG or something along the lines like that. Or I might leave it viewer's choice, within moderation. I mean, I'm not going to buy you a $300 roll of filament, but, if you want some ABS, ASA, or something like that, I'll put a little pull out, and you can click on majority will win, basically. I'll buy a couple rolls, and I'll give those away at 5K. So for the grand prize, it'll be the Neptune 4 Pro by Elegoo at 5K subs, and we'll also do 2 rolls of filament. I'll go by popular vote. Whoever votes for the filaments I list and the pool, whatever the 2 most populars are, I'll buy 1 of each, and someone can win it. So that's all I got for this video. There will be some other videos coming up. I've just been real busy doing this. This was a whole project in and of itself, and getting everything set up, getting this laser set up, and hopefully here within the next month or so, we'll have some more lasers to show you, courtesy of maybe another company. I'm not going to mention their name right now because nothing's signed yet or written in stone, but there is a potential for a laser company to provide sponsorship, and we'll show off their laser, and we'll give an honest review of it and see how it goes. So if that happens, I'll definitely let y'all know. And until then, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share the video for your chance to win a pretty much brand new Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Just for being subscribed and getting me to 5K. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you. See you on the next one.